Everybody knows that fruits are nutritious and beneficial to our health. But few people know the benefits of the discarded parts, like seeds and skins. That's the case with melon. Have you ever thought about eating melon seeds? Melon seeds are rich in nutrients and medicinal properties. They have vitamins, proteins, fatty acids, and a great antioxidant power. But these aren't the only benefits of melon seeds. See more. 1. Prevents diseases. Because of its high antioxidant content, melon seeds help avoid cellular oxidation that facilitates diseases like cardiovascular diseases or cancer. 2. Source of nutrients. Melon is rich in vitamins A, B, B2, B5, and C, and is also soothing and refreshing. Its seeds have high doses of vitamin C, amino acids, phenolic compounds, and volatile compounds. It also has a lot of iron. 3. Helps the intestines. Rich in dietetic fiber, melon seeds can help with intestinal health and avoid gastrointestinal issues like constipation. Some studies suggest that these seeds can even eliminate parasites that are located in the intestine. You know those small strands around the seeds? They are a great help in the digestive process, so don't even think about removing them if you are going to eat the seeds. 4. Natural analgesic. Studies suggest that melon seeds can alleviate pains in general. 5. Protects the heart. The antioxidants found in melon seeds help the good functioning of the heart, avoiding cardiovascular diseases and regulating blood pressure, thanks to the minerals they have. 6. Beautiful nails and hair. Thanks to the vitamin E, antioxidants, and unsaturated fatty acids they have, melon seeds slow down the aging process. Consuming these seeds will give a natural glow to your skin, nails, and hair. Now that you know the benefits of melon seeds, let's see how to consume them. Melon seeds can be eaten raw, on salads, or toast. The taste is very pleasant. They can also be used to season many dishes. According to research conducted by the University of Iran, the milk obtained from seeds and pulp of melon is similar to cow's milk. Did you know that you can make milk from melon seeds? See how to make it. Seeds of 1 melon. 33 ounces of water. Separate seeds from melon and put it in a blender with 16 ounces of water. After blending it, strain and blend again with 16 ounces more of water. Sweeten and drink as preferred. Toasted seeds are a little more work to make, but the final result is super tasty. So next time you buy a melon or any other fruit, remember that it's not only the pulp that has nutrients. Seeds are also great for your health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.